Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Consistency is the key to unlocking your potential. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. Great things are not done by impulse, but by a series of small things brought together. Consistency breeds mastery. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. The only way to achieve greatness is by consistently doing your best. Success is not the result of spontaneous combustion. You must set yourself on fire. Consistency is the foundation of success. Discipline is the fuel that turns your goals into reality. Consistency is the secret ingredient to turning ordinary into extraordinary. Success is the sum of small disciplines, repeated every day. Discipline is the key that unlocks your potential. Consistency is the hallmark of champions. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined and keep going. Discipline is the difference between what you want now and what you want most. Consistency is the key to creating lasting habits. Success is the result of discipline, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. Consistency is the path to excellence.